So far it has been earth-shaking, life-transforming, and expanding. There's actually a rock in the river next to us that was cracked when I got here. And as I've progressed in my spiritual journey, that rock has broken open. And for me, it's a metaphor of everything that has happened here. I've broken open, I've been cleansed, I've been renewed, and I've been restored. It's just beyond description. Everything that I've learned here and everything that I've experienced here. A friend of mine back in Richmond, Virginia, came to Warrior of Wisdom and then also came to the motorcycle ride here. His name is Jack, and he's the first one that introduced me to Anand, and then I heard Anand speak on Tommy Rosen's 2.0 Recovery Conference, and he just so resonated with me. And I signed up for teacher training, so it was just a confirmation that I was supposed to be here.